Welcome to the MicroMolar podcast, the Biotech Signals series. Today is June 9th, 2026.
Here are the top signals making waves in the industry.
First up, GSK is acquiring Nuvalent for $10.6 billion, adding 2 lung cancer drugs currently under FDA review. The deal is one of the year's biggest oncology acquisitions and reinforces GSK's determination to challenge Roche and Pfizer in precision lung cancer.
Eli Lilly licensed an Alzheimer's disease asset from Alzacure in a deal worth up to $1 billion in biobucks. The agreement demonstrates Lilly's continued willingness to make major investments in neuroscience despite recent industry setbacks.
Roche committed $700 million upfront to Nurix for a late-stage BTK degrader that could be worth up to $2.3 billion. The partnership positions Roche for a direct showdown with Eli Lilly in next-generation blood cancer therapies.
Alnylam entered its first AI-powered discovery partnership with Inceptive in a collaboration worth up to $2 billion. The deal reflects the industry's accelerating adoption of artificial intelligence for RNA therapeutic design.
Regeneron expanded its CytomX partnership by adding up to $2 billion in value and 8 additional targets. The move signals continued confidence in masked antibody technology, even as other pharmaceutical companies have stepped away.
AstraZeneca's oral GLP-1 delivered competitive Phase 2 efficacy, reinforcing the company's ambition to build a $5 billion obesity franchise. The data keep AstraZeneca relevant in an increasingly crowded metabolic disease race.
Parabolis increased its planned IPO to a record-setting $637 million, reflecting strong investor appetite for peptide therapeutics. The upsized offering would become one of Biotech's largest public financings of the year.
A House committee is directing the FDA to accelerate investigational new drug reviews in an effort to speed the start of clinical trials. Congressional pressure continues building for a more efficient regulatory process.
The FDA detailed new flexibilities allowing cell and gene therapy developers to leverage existing datasets instead of duplicating studies. The policy could reduce development costs and accelerate approvals for advanced therapies.
Treeline is pursuing a reverse merger that would leave the company with approximately $900 million in cash through 2029. The transaction provides an alternative route to the public markets while securing substantial development capital.
Pfizer's obesity candidate produced competitive but not dominant data, potentially shifting future competition toward pricing, convenience, and dosing schedules, rather than efficacy alone. The crowded obesity market is becoming increasingly difficult to differentiate.
Rezdiffra outperforms Wall Street expectations as the commercial MASH market begins taking shape. Early momentum suggests significant demand for effective metabolic liver disease therapies.
And finally, Citi Therapeutics raised nearly $100 million to expand RNA interference beyond liver-directed medicines. The financing supports a broader vision for RNAi applications across multiple disease areas.
Those are all the signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the MicroMolar podcast.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. See you next time.